Yes, good morning. This is the PowerPoint presentation. Now we are going to discuss about how to add a new slide in our presentation. Okay. First of all, we have to write something here, that is National Computer, and subtitle, okay, jumps. Then if you want to add another new slide, then we are going to click new slide option. See, this is a drop down icon. We have to click in this place with the mouse ద్వారా మనం అక్కడ క్లిక్ చేసిన యెడల సో మెనీ టెంప్లెట్స్ ఆర్ అవైలబుల్. మనకు ఏ టెంప్లెట్ అయితే ఇందులో అవసరమో, ఏ లేఅవుట్ అయితే ఇందులో అవసరమో, we have to select that layout. If you want to select blank slide, then we have to select like this. Then you have to write something or paste something from another source. Then again we are going to be click new slide. Then we have to select two content layout or comparison layout or title layout. First of all, we have to take the title only. What the title? See, title is that NC, National Computer. Okay. In the National Computer, I have to take this title, and by this way we are going to add whatever slide you want. Okay. Now layout. What is meant by layout? Layout means which change the style of the slide, which change the style of the slide. Now we are going to take the two content slide or comparison slide, whatever it may be. Suppose if you have to take two content slide, it's appear like this. See, if you want to add a table, you have to click here instead of creating a table separately. సపరేట్గా మనం టేబుల్ క్రియేట్ చేసుకోవడం కాకుండా టూ కాంటెంట్ లేఅవుట్ ద్వారా ఇక్కడ కొన్ని ఐకాన్స్ అవైలబుల్ ఉంటాయి. వెనెవర్ యూ క్లిక్ దట్ ఐకాన్, దెన్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఇన్సర్ట్ రోస్ అండ్ కాలమ్ లైక్ దిస్. నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ కాలమ్స్ 3 and number of rows 2. Then click OK. Then this type of table will be appeared. Then ఎప్పుడైతే మనం టేబుల్ ఇలా తీసుకుంటామో, so many designs are available for this table. If I want to take this table, if I want to take this design, it's appear like this. If I want to take this design, or if I want to take this design, or if I want to take more and more designs, then you have to click this drop down menu and you have to click whatever slide or whatever design you want. See, by this way we have to select the table like this. Then another one is that another second content, I am going to take the or insert the chart. Yes, you have to click like this. Whenever you click that chart icon, then a small icon or small window is to be appeared like this. These are the all charts: column chart, line chart, pie chart, bar chart, area chart, all the charts available. And if I want to select any one of the chart, whatever chart we wish to select, presently I am going to select column. Then you have to click the column, and then here you have to click and select and click OK button. Then a column chart is to be appeared in this place like this. If you want to add the data here, suppose I am going to add a data to this here. This is the year of 2020, and this is the year of 2019, and this is the year of 2018, and this is the year of 2017. Then this is one math subject, and then science subject, and then social subject, like this. All these are the marks. These are the marks. Then like this, these are the marks. Then now I am going to change these also. Like this. See, by this way, ఎప్పుడైతే నేను ఇక్కడ డేటా చేంజ్ చేస్తున్నానో, then in the charts also be it change the entire details. Okay, now let it be this cancel, and this is the charts has been designed. If I want to change the style of or design of the chart, you have to take whatever style you want, whatever style you have to take, then that has been changed in the same way as your selected design. Presently we are in this template. Suppose you have to select like this, that is to be appeared. Suppose you have to select like this, it is to be appear like this. Suppose you have to select like this, it is to be appear like this. Yes, okay. Suppose if you want to change the colors, whatever colors you want, then I am going to select the color like this, this color, then it would be changed like this. See, this is about how to change the layout and how to select the layout in the representation of creation of a new slide. Okay, now then I am going to take another slide. What slide means I have to take title only slide, and here I have to write national computer. Then I am going to reset this. ఎప్పుడైతే నేను రీసెట్ చేశానో, the cursor moves from last position to first position. Are you observing now? Yes, okay. I have to take another one. I am going to take another new slide with the title only. Again I have to write national computer national computer. Then again reset. What is the reset? Reset means that which reset the position of the cursor from one place to another place. Simply the cursor will move from last position to another place. Then another point is that section. What the section is that in which concept all the slides will be prepared. ఏ కాన్సెప్ట్లో మనము ఈ స్లైడ్స్ అన్ని ప్రిపేర్ చేశాము అని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసుకోవాలి అంటే, then now we are going to take the section. Say add a section. Click this, add a section. I am going to give the name NC and give the rename. Click the rename. Then whenever I click NC rename, then this is the default section, and rename section, add a section. In the add a section, NC or Subbu, then like this. Here NC section is to be appeared like this, and ఎక్కడైతే మనం సెక్షన్స్ ప్రిపేర్ చేయాలో ఫస్ట్ అక్కడ కర్సర్ ప్లేస్ చేయండి. ప్లేస్ చేసిన తర్వాత సెక్షన్ క్లిక్ చేయండి. ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ యాడ్ ఏ సెక్షన్ తీసుకోండి. సెక్షన్ తీసుకున్న తర్వాత నేను ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తానంటే సుబ్బు, ఐ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ సుబ్బు, దెన్ గివ్ ద రీనేమ్. దెన్ వేర్ ద సుబ్బు హ్యాస్ టు బి అపియర్డ్ సుబ్బు. ఈ సుబ్బు సెక్షన్లో ఈ 4 స్లైడ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఎన్సీ సెక్షన్లో ఓన్లీ 5th స్లైడ్ మాత్రమే అవైలబుల్ ఉంది. దిస్ ఈజ్ అబౌట్ ద క్రియేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఎ న్యూ స్లైడ్ అండ్ క్రియేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఎ లేఅవుట్ and reset the position and sectioning. Okay, thank you.